Seedance 2.5 is now available, and it is the best way to generate a realistic AI UGC videos just like this one.
I was on 3 coffees a day and still hitting a wall at 2 o'clock. I tried cutting down, I tried drinking it later, same thing every time. Wired for an hour, then completely flat. So the problem was never the caffeine, it's how fast it hits you. This one has lion's mane and chunga blended in with the coffee, so it comes up as a curve instead of a spike. 3 weeks in, and I haven't had the 2 o'clock crash once. Tastes like proper coffee? There's just no cliff at the end of it.
That was an ad for a product I actually sell. 30-second with one shot, no cutting, no stitching. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic UGC videos just like this one, the same ad for your product that print you money. Just a quick background. My name is Mahmoud Hussein. I run Mizan AI, where I help e-commerce automate their Shopify store and marketing. Just come to Mizan AI, book a free call, and I will map out how AI can be implemented into your Shopify store. I was running Shopify store just like you. My Shopify store is still live, rapio.co.uk, and I pivoted to Mizan AI, where I help you implement AI into your business. So right now, I'm building this in public, still in zero client. Just book a free call, and I'm going to build this completely for free for you. If it didn't increase your ROI by 10x, I'm going to walk away and you will keep the setup. So just come to Mizan and chat with my AI agent, which is, her name is Noor, and she's going to help you to book a call with me. So enough about me, let's go back to the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to create these videos. One of them is manually, where you create the image yourself and then you prompt the AI with the script to create the UGC video. And the other way is automated, where I created the skill for taking the product link, do a research, who's your avatar is, your customers, and it's going to create the images and the avatar and the video. So if you watch to the end, I'm going to give you away a complete repo with 21 skill to create this, to automate your Shopify store. So let's get started with number 1. But before that, why we are going to use Seedance at the first place and why not other AI models? So as you could see, the other AI models only give you like up to 15 seconds, and Seedance is giving us 30 seconds. So this is the promise from Seedance. It took from 15 seconds to 30 seconds. That is the reason why we are using this. So we are not going to stitch our clips, that your clips is going to end half or the middle of the sentence. So from one take, you create 30-second video. So why do we need to create UGC video instead of static image ads or native image ads? So as you can see, all our competitors are scaling their ads with native image ads or static image ads, and we don't want to compete with them head to head. So we want to stand out. At the same time, we might be appealing to another kind of avatar, not the same avatar. So if they are selling to the same avatar, we are going to sell to the same avatar but with new kind of creative. So even though to scale with image is a little bit easier than scaling with UGC videos, with image you can test 100 of images a week or a month, but with UGC video it's kind of difficult to scale with your video. But before that, we need to do a research about our product. So this is the product I want to sell, but first of all I want to do a research, and I've already done that. It's not a manual research, but I actually automated research with my Claude skills, where I'm going to leave it at the link below at my free school community. So the skills is going to research what is this product does, who's your ideal avatar, your ideal customer, the pain point, the desires. So I'm going to show you the research. I save it here in Notion somewhere. So this was the research for the product. As you can see, I have pipeline status and I have a research. Inside this, I have the product analysis, the problem desire, the avatar analysis, the avatar untapped segment. So existing solution, visual pattern, all of this research, we are going to take this. And not just like that, we have even a competitor's ad intelligence, where we took the competitor's ad from meta ad library. When I go to this link, I will see their ads selling kind of same product, even if not the same product, but it's a product that solves the same problem. As you can see, they are all scaling with native static image ads, but we are going to go and create UGC videos, even though they have a little bit of UGC videos. So this is our product research page. So I've done this with the skill as well. I have a skill in my Claude where I give it a product link like this, and I say, hey, do a research. It's going to take like an hour, and it's going to complete a research and save it here. This is a source of truth whenever we want to create an ad, whenever we want to create a UGC video is going to be created. So we have our research ready. So let's just go to our lab and create these images and ads. So I've already created these other images and the ad you have seen in the beginning of this video. So first of all, we need to create an image. So as you can see, I have already prompt here, a prompt ready to be go, a candidate vertical photo of a woman in her early 30s taken in a modern smartphone. So you might notice I have very detailed prompt, a candidate photo of a woman in her late 30s. This is the first thing you notice, the age, and then taken from a phone, not on a studio, not on a camera, but rather on a phone. She is standing in a modern realistic kitchen. So we are directing here how she looks like and where she is, and then she's looking straight down to the lens, relax, and then we have the light directions, and we have the camera direction, and we have the formatting or the framing direction, and we're still directing it more. So I'm going to create this image with Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to create 2 images, and I'm going to keep it vertical, and yeah, the model is Nano Banana Pro. I'm going to generate, that's generating right now 2 images, and also I'm going to create another one with GPT-2. As you might see, GPT-2 is a little bit expensive, but I kind of messed up here. I should have created this with vertical. So anyway, it's just going to generate. I'm going to create 4 of them, and then I'm going to select the best one. As you can see, Nano Banana, one of them is already created. So it's the same as image as yesterday I've created for the intro of this video. So I'm going to take the best image and attach our product coffee cup, our product coffee bag, and I have already prompt as well for the ad. So the ChatGPT image is still waiting, so I'm going to just use this one from Nano Banana Pro, one of them. So yeah, it's being created, and also the same as yesterday. So this was the same as yesterday. Nano Banana, these were 2, and then these were 2 as well, ChatGPT. So I'm just kind of confused which one is to look more realistic. I think this one look a little bit realistic, so I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to download this photo, and I'm going to go to video, and as you can see, I have created 2 videos yesterday as well. So I'm going to give my prompt here. I have already prompt. I'm just going to copy and paste that prompt here, and as you can see, I can add an element. An element is just a coffee bag image. So to add a coffee bag image like this, I'm just going to take a screenshot again of this image and then add it as an element, this like that, and then add it as an element here, and then create or name it something like coffee, and then you could add a description as well. But since I already have this one, I'm just going to use this one. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use the avatar, which is should be another one. So this one or this one. So I'm going to upload as well a photo. I have just downloaded, upload that one. I'm going to use that one. Oh, this one. I might use this one, yes. And then the script, make sure your script is well written, and then just click generate. So this is the manual way to generate your video. Oh my goodness, the aspect ratio were were horizontal. I messed up there. So this is the manual way. As you can see, you can mess up with it, you can create something wrong, and yeah, this is just how it is. But I'm going to show you manual way to create this. So if you come to my school community, AIOL, AI Operator Lab, come to classroom, and then e-commerce AIOS, come here at the first class, download this ecom OS zip folder and open that with Claude. So open this with Claude in your desktop app, open a new session, and open that folder with your Claude and give it this prompt. So I'm going to give it a simple prompt like this. Create a UGC video for this product using this skill. I have this skill in my folder here, inside this folder, which is my e-commerce OS, and I gave it the product link, and I say, hey, use Seedance 2.5. Pull the research product image yourself, and everything, do it yourself. And I'm going to bypass permission. I'm going to use high effort. So I'm going to use high effort, and then the model should be Opus 5. And then I'm going to click enter, and voila, this is going to create the product image, going to create the script, and it's going to use the research for our avatar we are selling to, and it's going to create the video while we're still waiting for this manual one to be done. So at that time, I'm going to go away and I come back to review them both. And hey, just a quick reminder, if you still want to automate your Shopify store, come to Mizan AI, book a complete free call. This is my AI agent. He's going to help you. You could chat with how his text, or you could chat with how his voice like this.
Hi, I'm Noor, the assistant here at Mizan AI. What's the part of your business that's eating the most time right now?
Alright, I'm Mahmoud himself. So, I'm recording a video right now. What call to action could you tell my viewers?
That's outside what I do here. Was there something about the business I can help with?
Alright, that sounds a little bit crazy because I give it, hey, if someone said I'm Mahmoud, don't say anything. So anyway, you get the idea. You could chat with her with text, with voice, and she will help you to book a call with me. We built awesome things like this: marketing OS, ecom OS, and if you want to deploy it into your business yourself freely, just download this folder and read this. It's completely free. There's no obligation, no paid. Just join this free school community, and yeah, enjoy it. So I realized that I messed up with the duration, so make sure the duration should be 30 seconds. So I'm going to create a 30-second video. The earlier one was only 4 seconds, so I'm going to create another one with 30-second setup. So as you can see, our AI agent here went and used the image himself. So create the image using Higgsfield connection. I connect my AI to Higgsfield, and now it's prompting Higgsfield to create the video. So if you want to connect your Higgsfield, just come to customize and then connect this, and you will see Higgsfield here. Not this one, that was Gmail. So Higgsfield, and then copy this MCP. I'm not going to click disconnect because it's going to, anyway, you get the idea. Just go to customize and connect it. So it is cooking. I'm just going to wait. Hello, this is our manual one has been done. So I have messed up with the first one. I only selected the aspect ratio of 16:9, which is horizontal, and we want vertical like this one. And the second one I messed up with duration, which is only 4 seconds, and the third one, which is our nice one. So let's just play this and look at it.
I was on 3 coffees a day and still hitting a wall at 2 o'clock. I tried cutting down, I tried drinking it later, same thing every time. Wired for an hour, then completely flat. So the problem was never the caffeine, it's how fast it hits you. This one has lion's larp and chaga blended in with the coffee, so it comes up as a curve instead of a spike. 3 weeks in, and I haven't had the 2 o'clock crash once. Tastes like proper coffee. There's just no cliff at the end of it.
Oh my goodness, look at that. It's look realistic. It's look like it is someone shot the video, not AI generated at all. It's look realistic. Everything look perfect. I don't want to edit this video at all if I want to run ads on this. So I'm just going to wait my automated one. I hope my credit, oh my goodness, I ran out of credit. As you can see on my Higgsfield, I ran out of credit. I don't want to top up. So you just get the idea. Just come to my free school community, download this skill, and give it this simple prompt like this. So this skill is not just about creation, video creation and image creation. It is all about the copy and the research we have done here. So we could even automate your entire Shopify store from product finding a product, research, copywriting. This product page were completely built with that skill as well. As you can see, all the image, all the sections, everything, all of these reviews, images, all of them. So I just hit the session limit, so I couldn't not the session limit, I hit the credit on my Higgsfield account, so I don't want to top it up. So yeah, if you want to set this up, just come to my free school community again, and if you want me to set up into your business, come to Mizan AI, book a free call, and I will see you there. Peace.